In this video, I'm sharing my strategy to earn $50,000 in a year from farming airdrops. This is all possible due to ZK Sync's mainnet launch and the exciting opportunity it offers. You might remember the Arbitrum Airdrop, and in case you missed it, let's do a quick recap. Arbitrum mainnet launched back in 2021 after raising over $300 million from investors. Since then, it skyrocketed to become the most used Layer 2 network, surpassing even Optimism. After several campaigns, they eventually launched their token in March of 2023, and over 600,000 users received the airdrop, an impressive range of 650 to 10,250 token that is valued from $1,000 to $12,000 per user. Now, over 2 million wallets interacted with Arbitrum, but not everyone got the airdrop. Only 600,000 received the airdrop. And why is that? I decided to find out why. My investigation led me to a few key discoveries, which are: some people started late, some did only a few transactions, others interacted like bots, some got the Sybil mark, some didn't use the entire network features, and some lacked enough liquidity or simply didn't have at least $10 worth of Arbitrum ETH when the airdrop occurred. And guess what? The same pattern was also observed during the Optimism airdrop. So, armed with this knowledge, I decided to take a full advantage of this scenario, and that is why I am laying out my strategy to maximize my gain from the upcoming airdrops, and I'm here to show you how to do it. Now, airdrop hunting can be a bit stressful and time wasting, especially if you spend your time and money on a project that later decides not to do an airdrop. So I have carefully selected a few projects that have confirmed that they will be doing airdrop and devised a strategy to farm these specific ones. So here's the lineup: ZK Sync, Era and Light, SEI, Orbiter, Linear, Venom, Scroll, and StarkNet. Let's dive deep into ZK Sync first. ZK Sync is a Layer 2 project similar to Arbitrum, with funding backed by Binance Labs. They have raised a total of $458 million from multiple investors, which is even more than that of Arbitrum. They have confirmed they will have a token after a recent Twitter space, and I believe their airdrop could be the biggest one yet. If you farm the Arbitrum airdrop with a minimum of $20, you will have received at least $1,000 worth of Arbitrum. To receive up to the $12,000, you would have farmed with a much larger capital. So for ZK Sync airdrop, I have decided to dedicate a total of $3,000 spread over 3 wallets, and I'm expecting a return of at least $10,000 from each, which is about $30,000 when put together. Here's how I'm planning to do that. The strategy I'll be using include bridging, transaction value, transaction volume, and frequency, and adding liquidity. In the Arbitrum case, most people interacted with Arbitrum 1 and missed out the airdrop reward from not interacting with Arbitrum Nova. So for ZK Sync, I'll be interacting with both ZK Sync Era and ZK Sync Lite. Now, there are other practical tactics which I cannot address here in this video. So I will leave a link to my Telegram group in the description, where I and my team hold airdrop and DeFi classes 3 times a week. In these classes, you see the practical live and you get to ask your questions. Other promising projects like StarkNet, Venom, Orbiter Finance, Linear, Say, and more that have confirmed airdrop will be discussed as well in these classes, and different strategy we use in farming these airdrop. Beside the airdrop classes, we also hold trading classes 3 times a week. We analyze the markets, trade live, and send you trade signals. To take part in these, all you have to do is to create a BYBIT account. using the link in the description, then also use the Telegram link to join these classes. In conclusion, guys, the ZK Sync airdrop is coming and is going to be massive. So the question is, are you ready? Let me know in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video.